So I just pulled out the, I think this is the speedometer gear, pulled it out. It was really gross. I knew that they had some leaks associated, or there's some faults or leaks. So I think there's a little O-ring right there. And interestingly enough, down inside there, it's a little hard to see, I had nothing in there. So here's the two parts of the car depot. So that, I think, is the replacement. And then this is another little piece, and I suspect that goes down inside it. But again, I didn't have one of those, so that's probably why it was leaking. So I'm going to replace it. There's a little bit of a challenge to working out which way around this goes. I think I'll have that on the outside. Just drop it in. Good. Well, with the pick tool, that's pretty easy to get that on. And I'm going to drop this in there and see how that looks. Hopefully it'll just slide nicely onto there. Hard to do this with, oh, there you go. So that is in. It's hard to see, but it's in, and that's probably why it didn't survive somebody taking that off previously, because it would just fall off. So anyway, that is done. So that was a pretty easy one in the end. Let's get under here. And the video is working still. Yeah, there you go. So, where is it? So that's it, it's in. Little bolt behind. It's a little loose, I don't know if that's, where are we? It's a little loose, but maybe that's how it's meant to be. So there you go, cleaned up and ready to go.